Hey y'all, how y'all doing today on this fine Wednesday? Oh goodness, I can't believe that Godzilla just sneezed.
No, that little girl,
the little girl, that little girl just sneezed and got boogers all over me. In this time of viruses and all that kind of stuff, that's just simply disgusting. Now I gotta go take a bath and wash everything out of my hair. What do you think, Luna? Pretzel, Pinkie Pie, you all got boogers on your head. It's just simply disgusting. Oh my God, it's just disgusting. It's so disgusting. I can't even stand it. Somebody get this booger off my head. And off of my right eyeball. It's so disgusting. This is so gross. I've had it with this. Little girl put boogers all over my head. And look at this tipping. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at it. Booger all over the outside of my face. Now I can't even see. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness I can. Oh, now I'm blinded by all the boogers. What about you? That's just disgusting.